So how can you take a basic bodice block and turn it into a dress? Let's get into it. So if you have not already, make sure you go ahead and check out my YouTube video if you have not did your front bodice block. And if you've already did your front bodice block, we can hop right on into it. So as you can see, I have my basic front bodice block here. I have my neck hole, I have the shoulder, I have the armhole, I have the chest line, bust, under bust, waist, and then I have the top of my hip line. So to begin this, I would first extend my line here down. So what I would do is, since this is my upper hip and not the fullest part of my hips, I would take the fullest part of my hips, I would do shoulder to the fullest part of my hips, I would draw a line there, and then I would extend this line, and then from that line I would extend it to the length that I prefer for the dress. Right now, for the top part, let's say that I wanted to do a thin, thick strap up here and more of like a scoop neck line for the dress, and let's say that this dress is done with a stretchier material. You would take out these darts. So remember, we added space at the back of these lines in order to build the darts. You would take those back in, because with the stretchier material you don't need to do darts, but if you prefer to, that's perfectly fine as well. But outside of the darts, what you would do is, from your shoulder you would begin to form the line that you're kind of going for that. So this would be better if you did it, of course, with a ruler, but this is just me freehanding to show you guys on here. So basically, from the shoulder line, where the shoulder starts, you will begin by making out your line. So let's say again I wanted to do like a scoop neck. I would use my curved ruler to do this, but this is the top of my chest line. So I would do this, and same thing for over here for the strap. I would form that around the armhole. And from there, it would just be this line and extended of this line. So you would cut this pattern out here. So from here, here, down to where we extended it, back up, etc. And that would get you a simple dress if that's what you wanted from your pattern with the stretchier material. If you're not using a stretchy material, of course